If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To format grid lines in Excel, if you added a set of major or minor grid lines to an Excel chart, choose the Set of Grid Lines to Format from the Chart Elements dropdown in the Current Selection button group on the Format Contextual tab in the ribbon. Then click the Format Selection button below the drop-down menu in the same button group. Alternatively, right-click the Set of Grid Lines to Format in the chart. Then select the Format Grid Lines command from the pop-up menu that appears. Using either method then shows the Format Major Grid Lines or Format Minor Grid Lines task pane at the right side of the screen, depending on which grid line set you selected. In the Major Grid Line Options or Minor Grid Line Options category, which appears at the top of the pane and is selected by default, click the Fill and Line or Effects subcategory setting icon below the category to set its related options for the selected set of grid lines. The formatting options for the selected subcategory appear in collapsible and expandable lists at the bottom of the task pane. To expand and collapse the individual subcategory options, click the option titles. Then set any individual options as desired in the task pane to immediately apply those changes. When finished, click the X button in the upper right corner of the task pane to close it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.